Hi fans. Alright, today we have a quadratic equation on the board to solve, and we are asked to solve the quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now on this video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way that you can solve this question and get your answer correctly. Alright, if you're not following this video, try to follow, comment, like and share it. Now the first step we're going to take in solving this kind of question here is to what? Multiply the first term and the what? Last term. Now we multiply this one and this one, which is x and what? X squared and 4, and that will give us 4x squared. Now after multiplying the both of them to get 4x squared, now you think of a number that when you multiply it together you will get 4x squared, and when you add it or subtract it together you will get the middle term, which is what? 4 what? X, and that number is what? 2x and 2 what? X. Now check, if you multiply 2x by 2x, you are going to be having 4x squared. Now if you add 2x by 2 what? X, you're going to be having what? 4x. Now you see that 2x satisfies this what? Equation. Now we're going to be what? Substituting 4x with what? 2x plus 2 what? X, and that will get our what? Answer. Now by so doing here, you put down your what? Your x squared plus 4x, sorry, plus 2x plus 2x, and then the last one, which is what? Plus 4. Now you put equal to 0. The next thing you're going to do here now is to what? Bracket them. Now don't forget, don't join this one inside the what? Bracket. And this is how you have what? You have analyzed your question. Now what you're going to be doing here is what? Factor out what? Each of the term in each what? Bracket. Now what are we going to factor out here? We're going to factor out what? X, because x is a common what? Term. Now when we factor out x here, we're going to be having x open bracket. What remains here is what? X. And then what remains here is what? 2. So if you want it to go back to this form, you can multiply it by what? X by what? X. You come back to what? X square. And then x by what? 2. You have what? 2 what? X. Therefore, we have not done anything wrong. Now you come here, you what? You factor out the what? The common term. The common term here is what? Is 2. Now therefore, when you factor out what? 2, you are going to what? You are going to be left there with what? X. And then here you are going to be left out with what? 2. So to check it now, when you say 2 times x, you are going to be having what? 2 what? X. And when you say 2 times 2 here, you are going to be having what? 4. Still equal to what? 0. Now you see that the ones that are in the bracket are what? Are the same, which means that your answer is what? Correct. Now first thing you're going to do is what? Bring out one of the answers that is in what? In the bracket, and then pick out the one that is what? Answer, which is x plus 2. Now x plus 2. Now you have it to be equal to what? 0. Now since the two of them are what? Are the same, you don't have to stress yourself anymore. You pick out one of them and make it what? X plus 2 equal to 0. And by this, plus 2 will cross to this other side, and you have that the what? Your final answer is x is equal to minus 2. You see that it is very simple to solve a quadratic equation using this method. Please do like, follow and share this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.